back to Creative Kids and Phonics. Today we're going to be looking over the U sound. So before we begin, let's crack on with practicing our sounds from this phase. Are we ready? Shout them out before I do. O, U, U, E, U, I, E, U, W, A, U, I, E, O. Well done. O, or, oi, a, ow. Well done. Oo. Fantastic job. Well, today we're going to continue with the E and the W sound. When those two letters come together, they make two different sounds. It can be the oo or the U. And we're going to be looking at the U sound today. For example, new, n, U. So it's a shorter sound than the long vowel oo. So let's have a think of a word which might have the sound with the U in. Have a think and shout them down to me. What was that? Did someone shout out dew, like the morning dew? Beautiful. D-U. Let's do our sound buttons. D-U. Now this is your chance to pause me and to have a go yourself. Right, let's have a look at your words. Excellent. D-U. Smashing. Who sounded out few? Should we sound it out? You, few. I'd love for you to have a go. How did you cope with that one? Let's sound out. You. Wonderful. What about pew? If you go into a church, you sit in a pew. P-U, pew. Are you ready? Okay. Stew. I love a good stew. S-t-u, stew. Mrs. Holmes cooks a really good stew. Okay, what was the initial sound? Good. The S, then the T, then the U. Well done. What about view? The view from your window. This is a bit of a difficult one. V-I-U, view. U. It's a very tricky one because of this I, U. Curfew. The army put in place a curfew where everyone had to be in at a certain time. Curfew. K-f-u. Lots of sounds there. K-f-u. That's 4 sounds with 2 digraphs. K-f-u. Curfew. Let's have a look. Did you manage to get that? There's our first digraph, the then we've got the curfew. Wonderful. Well, just in 1 second, a sentence is going to come up at the bottom of this screen, and I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to pause me and to try and to sound it out and blend. Off we go. Right, did you get my nephew? My nephew had an interview. You did? Well done. Good job. Well, that ends our session on the U sound for today. So stay safe and we will see you all very soon. Goodbye.